from the Chattanooga Public Library for Make, Play, Read, Learn. The theme for this week is art, so today we're looking at nature mandalas, art made out of found natural objects such as leaves, sticks, rocks, or flowers. First, what is a mandala? A mandala, meaning circle in Sanskrit, is a geometric pattern, usually in the shape of a circle, which uses balance and symmetry to give a sense of wholeness. Mandalas have been used in many spiritual traditions for many purposes, such as introspection, meditation, prayer, and focus. Making a mandala can be really relaxing, especially when you make a decision before you start to focus on what you're doing and to stay in the present moment. To make your nature mandala, you'll first need to collect some different natural materials, like leaves, rocks, sticks, and flowers. Try to collect at least a few of each and then sort them so that you can see what you're working with. I found it easiest to sort my items by color and size so I could see which objects would balance each other out. Next, you'll want to find a nice flat surface on the ground that's relatively clear of leaves and sticks, or clear some space by brushing those things away. Next, find an object to create the center of your mandala. I used a pine cone. From the center point, you'll choose one of your natural objects to add a layer in a circle, and then add another layer, working out in layers from the middle. You can add as many layers to your mandala as you want. Now, I'd like to share a mindfulness technique called 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I like to use this to become more aware of the present moment. I ask and answer this series of questions to myself. Can you notice 5 things around you that you can see? Can you notice 4 things around you that you can feel? Maybe the wind, the leaves, or sticks or pine cones in your hand. Can you notice 3 things around you that you can hear? Maybe the wind rustling in trees, birds chirping, or bugs buzzing. Can you notice 2 things around you that you can smell? Maybe the dirt or plants or flowers. Can you notice 1 thing you can taste? For me, that's often toothpaste or whatever I've eaten earlier. I like that technique because it's so easy to remember and helps me feel relaxed and totally aware of the present moment. If you make your own nature mandala and want to share your art, you can use the hashtag #MPRL2020. Thanks for watching.